Greetings everybody, Ben Beecher here with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Don't forget to subscribe to our page and like this video. Stay up to date on all the new inventory. Today we'll be going through this beautiful Sea Ray 280 SLX. This is going to be the blue with the red gel stripe as well as the matching blue top. Absolutely gorgeous boat. We walk around to the back here. You see we have the ladder, boarding ladder, as well as this model has the automated swim platform. I'm going to climb up into the rear of the boat. Here in the back of the boat, you'll see a great lounging area for coving out. In fact, these will be ratcheting seats, so you can set them up if you wanted to backrest. Bring it all the way up and lay it back down. Also back here, we have a great storage area going way down in there, as well as places to put extra lines and fenders. As we walk in the back of the boat here, I want you to notice the beautiful teak throughout this entire boat. This teak really sets this boat apart from others out there. Back here, you have your swim platform control right there, as well as the power tower. This model comes equipped with the power tower. So by holding this button up or down, we can raise and lower the tower. We walk in, notice the long U-sectional seating here on the port side and on the back of the boat. Great for entertaining, as well as extra storage up here underneath the cup holders. We're here on the starboard side of the boat. We have a nice seating area, as well as a little wet bar. Call it a wet bar because you have your cooler underneath here, as well as a little refrigerator. As we move forward up the port side of the boat here, you see all this super nice stitching in the seats, bolster seats of course. We're going to open up the head compartment. A very nice size head down here. You have a vacuum flush head, and once again, fresh water. Wash your hands. Over here at the helm, you have a double captain seat with bolster, of course. You have the upgraded stereo here, touchscreen Fusion Apollo series, as well as the digital dash. Also, we want to note there's plenty of in-floor storage as well as under-seat storage on this boat. As we move forward and get into the bow area, we have much more storage as we did in the back. This seat will raise here as well as here. It really makes for a great storage compartment on this boat. Moving up the front here, we have a windlass anchor, stainless steel, underneath there. So that concludes our tour of the 2019 Sea Ray 280 SLX. If you have any questions, once again, my name is Ben Beecher, MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Thanks and have a great day.